Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are using Zoho Books to manage your business finances, you know that keeping your subscription active is vital to avoiding any service interruptions. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to renew your Zoho Books subscription, update your payment details, and manage your billing cycles effectively. This process is straightforward, but it is important to know exactly where to click to ensure a smooth transition. If this guide proves helpful to your accounting workflow, please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips. Let us get straight into it. First things first, you need to access your subscription settings within the Zoho Books dashboard. Start by locating the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your settings menu. Once you click that, look for the option labeled Manage Subscription located under the My Organization section. Clicking this will direct you to your billing overview. Once you are on this page, the steps you take depend on your current account status. If your plan has unfortunately expired, you will immediately see a banner at the very top of your screen notifying you of this status. Simply click the Renew Now button displayed on that banner to proceed with your payment. However, if you are looking to renew early, or perhaps you want to switch your billing cycle from monthly to yearly, you should look for the Upgrade or Downgrade Plan button or the Change Cycle option. Choosing the yearly cycle is often a great way to save a bit of money on your annual overhead. Now, before you finalize any payments, it is critical to ensure your billing information is current. Check the right sidebar for the Payment Method link. Here, you can update your credit card information or verify that your current payment method is still valid. Double-check that everything is set correctly for your next billing date to avoid any future lapses in service. Once you have verified your payment details, simply review your plan details, ensure your contact information is accurate, and complete the transaction. After you finish the process, you will receive a confirmation, and your access will be fully restored or updated automatically. Keeping your account in good standing is the best way to leverage all the features Zoho Books has to offer. I hope this walkthrough has cleared up any confusion regarding the renewal process. If you found this video beneficial, remember to like and subscribe so you do not miss out on future software tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.